Come behind the scenes and tour the Crateinteriors warehouse. Here you'll see neatly stacked rows of furnishings, appliances, electronics, and more, all inventoried, palletized, and in queue for our white glove installs. The receiving process for each order takes our crew several days, something most owners would not want to do in the hot sun and humid weather of our coastal climate. Each order undergoes a 4-point inspection process and is identified on its own palletized row. With an impressive less than 1% damage rate since our inception, we handle any transit or vendor claims so you don't have to. Our house raised menus are curated from hospitality suppliers and feature all those hard-to-find amenities to pamper owners and their guests. The purchasing process for a typical vacation home or rental property takes several weeks of tracking and follow-up until it ends up all right here. Our extensive mattress menu features all the top brands like Beautyrest, Sealy, Serta, Coolmax, Tempur-Pedic, and more. A truly unrivaled selection not found anywhere in the local market. Providing end-to-end logistics and a single point of contact for your entire project is how Crateinteriors helps investors make the move to Mexico. Are you purchasing a vacation home or rental property investment this year? Let's create it together.